Unfortunately, a patient in the UK has died as a result of a liquid BBL treatment. Liquid BBL treatment involves injecting hyaluronic acid dermal filler in the buttock region. It's actually a procedure that has a high risk of complications. It needs to be done under super sterile environment by a trained surgeon knowing exactly the planes of where to inject. This was not the case in this scenario. You've got a non-medic injecting this filler in somebody's bum in probably dirty, unsterile conditions, causing problems. And you know what? I speak and I teach filler to other doctors, surgeons around the world. And when I say I'm from the UK, they laugh at me because we have no regulations. The person that's been arrested for performing this procedure is someone called Jordan Park, who's known as the Lip King. If you call yourself the Lip King, I think that's a problem in the first place anyway. There clearly is some issues over here in terms of overconfidence, because actually he's been previously accused of prescribing Ozempic. So you're not even a doctor and you're prescribing Ozempic to patients, potentially causing real complications. Every medication needs medical overview. You need a doctor to be able to see to prescribe it, so you know about the side effects and they can also manage any potential problems that you have. So this is where lack of regulation in the UK leads, because if you let people inject people with fillers, Botox, and they're not prescribers, then they don't have any form of overview in terms of someone looking at their practice, managing how many complications they get, looking at their technique, and even making sure that they don't try and do more things. And in this case, this is what's happened: overconfidence, lack of judgment, and also just lack of care for other human beings. And it's just really sad that people's lives have been destroyed. And in this case, a young lady has passed away. When will we get more regulation? I don't think we're going to get any more regulation, because the government has turned a blind eye to this for so many years. I've been lobbying. I'm part of so many different international groups that lobby for regulation, and they've all fallen to deaf ears because, hey, it's an industry. It makes money and it also makes tax. Because if the government wanted to ban it, they would have banned it yesterday. We are the only country, the laughing stock of the world, that allow unlicensed practitioners to put implants and do other procedures without any regulation or consequences.